girls. Today's story is Little Blue Truck's Springtime, and I love the springtime. Can everyone shout out one thing they know about spring? Good. There's flowers and rain. What else? Oh, you need umbrellas? Good job. So let's begin our story, Little Blue Truck's Springtime. And like always, we read our stories from the top to the bottom, from the left to the right, and from the front to the back. Here we go. Little Blue Truck's Springtime. Little Blue Truck is on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. It's a Yahoo! Sky blue spring sing a day. Who do they see along the way? Yoo-hoo, sheep, beep, beep, what's new? A little white lamb, and a twin lamb too. Who's out swimming in a line? Yoo-hoo, duck and ducklings, 9. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And plus 1 mama makes 10. 9 plus 1 gives you a total of 10. Yoo-hoo, go. What do you say? Can the kids come out to play? Yoo-hoo, cow just munching corn. Yoo-hoo, little calf just born. So a baby goat are kids, and a baby cow is a calf. So you all must be goats because you're kids, right? Is that it? Oh, that explains so much. I'm just teasing. Mama pig, who's in your pen? Yoo-hoo, piglets. 1, 2, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Baby pigs are called piglets. Ears in clover, that looks funny. Hippity hoppy. Yoo-hoo, bunny. There we go. Bunny sister, bunny brothers, and another, and another. What's this nestled in the grass? Check out before we pass. Tap, tap, anybody home? Who's inside this smooth round dome? Crickety crack, everybody shout. Yoo-hoo, chick, come out. Come on out. Yoo-hoo, sun, yoo-hoo, sky, yoo-hoo, white clouds sailing by, birds that sing and frogs that leap. Yoo-hoo, spring, beep, beep, beep. Oh, I love Little Blue Truck books. Such good stories. See you next time. Bye.